Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay. Last class, what you done? Just tell me. I think last class the theoretical part is over. Correct?
Yes, sir. We did
Yes,
two
yes. We start
questions,
two
two or three
problems we
questions.
done. Uh, 1 minute. Start the class now. One problem right now. Right. Examine, or else you can write whether the function, right, whether the function f is, whether the function f is given by, given by, given by f of x equal to x square, f of x equal to x square is continuous at x equal to 0. I think this problem is over. Correct?
Yes, sir, it's over, sir.
Okay, okay. Next one right now. Discuss, discuss the continuity of the function, discuss the continuity of function f, the continuity of function f given by, given by f of x equal to modulus of x, f of x equal to modulus of x at x equal to 0, at x equal to 0. This is the problem now. Okay, what is that we have to discuss? So discuss the continuity of the function f given by f of x equal to modulus of x at x equal to 0. Okay, I think you know that last class I gave very clear the condition to you. Here, what is the meaning of f of x equal to modulus of x here? Here f of x equal to clearly
Sir, f of x is
here
continuous.
x comma if, what is the condition we have? X greater than or equal to 0 and minus x means if x less than 0. This condition we know very well that. Now take the values here. But it is the continuous at x equal to 0 means what is the condition we have? Compulsory f of 0 must be equal to the LHL equal to RHL. The three conditions will be equal. Then directly we can say that one the given function f of x is the continuous at x equal to 0 now. So first you can find directly first f of 0 you can find now. F of 0. So f of 0 equal to modulus of 0 equal to clearly 0. Now we can find LHL value you can find. LHL value. So limit x extend to 0 minus f of x equal to. Suppose we are taking a 0 minus means what is the meaning of 0 minus here now? Less than 0. We will get all the values of x are negative values are in a. This is where it's possible. In this conditions are possible. So this function equal to how much? Minus x. So this one you can write limit x extend to 0 minus minus x. Minus x. It is also equal to clearly 0 only. Next you can find RHL value. Find here RHL value. Means right hand limit. Limit extend to 0 plus f of x. Now we are taking that to more than 0. Either equal to more than various possibilities. The clear it is possible in the first function. So here f of x equal to x you can take. So limit x tends to 0 x it is also equal to 0 now. So clearly seeing f of 0 equal to 0 we got, LHL also we got 0, RHL also we got equal to 0. You know these three conditions are equal. So what you can say now? So therefore f of x equal to modulus x is continuous at x equal to 0, same thing you can write now. So therefore, clearly you can write f of 0 equal to LHL equal to RHL, LHL equal to RHL. So therefore, f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous yet x equal to 0. Here, what is the f of x here now? Here, f of x equal to modulus of x. Okay, very easy problems. But we have to write clearly that. Okay. Next one you can write now. Discuss the continuity of function f. Discuss the continuity of function f given by function f given by f of x equal to x cube plus x square minus 1, given by f of x equal to x cube plus x square minus 1. But here now in this condition, but they're not given any value here. But previously taking means the continuous yet x equal to 0. But here nothing. They didn't give anything. But we have to discuss about the continuity. Discuss about the continuity. So what we'll do that?
Should we factorize it?
But no need to factorize here now. We follow the same conditions only. But here in place of c, you can take any one constant value. You can take. You can take here now any one constant value, because already we know that what do you call this one? What do you call this function? This function we call as a polynomial function. What is the domain of polynomial function? Real numbers only. It's correct. Real numbers. That means if taken any real number here, that means the value of x belongs to compulsory real numbers only clearly. So in place of x, you can take any real number. Then what will it mean? Suppose you can assume yourself now. Let c be a real number. You can take real number. I'm taking here now another constant value, that is a c. Okay. Now the c can substitute in there. That c you can substitute in here now. So therefore, f of c equal to how much? The c cube plus c square minus 1. C cube plus c square minus 1 now. So this is we can't anything, just you can leave the f of c value. Now we can find LHL value. LHL. So limit x extend to, it is the c minus. But if you take a c minus or c plus also, we will take the same value only, or else directly can find the value. Direct limit you can find now, because any polynomial function we are taking means any polynomial function compulsory, what do you call that? It will be compulsory continuous function. Any polynomial function we call as the continuous function. So therefore, directly can find here. It is no need to take any LHL now. Directly can find the limit. So limit x tends to c, f of x equal to, so limit x tends to c, f of x equal to how much? This is the value x cube plus x square minus 1. So x equal to c can substitute in there now. So this is the clearly c cube plus c square minus 1. So both the values are equal. The two values are equal. So you can write now. So therefore, limit x tend to c, f of x equal to f of c, equal to f of c. So therefore, f of x is continuous. F of x is a continuity, continuous function, That's all. Continuous function. This is the problem it is. Okay. Next problem right now. Show that the function f defined by the function f defined by f of x equal to x cube plus 3 comma if x not equal to 0 and 1 if x equal to 0 full stop is not continuous yet x equal to 0. Okay, what does show that the function f defined by f of x equal to x cube plus 3 if x not equal to 0, 1 if x equal to 0 is not continuous. That means here we have to show that compulsory what is that f of 0 not equal to LHL not equal to RHL, or else f of 0 equal to LHL but not equal to RHL. One condition is, or else f of 0 not equal to LHL but equal to RHL, That means compulsory if the three values must be equal, then only we are saying that one it is a continuous function. But here any one of the value is not equal to some other two means, then what you call that? The clear it is a not continuous at x equal to 0 only. So now you can find clear that it's very easy problem. It is small question, you can find it. So given f of x equal to x cube plus 3 comma x cube plus 3 comma if x not equal to 0, and if taken 1 if x equal to 0, this the function is given function it is. But we have to show that it is a not a continuous set x not x equal to 0. Now first you can take here at x equal to 0, you can take first at x equal to 0. So then at x equal to 0 means first you can find immediately f of 0 you can find now. But if taken f of 0, what is the value? Tell me. F of 0 means x equal to 0 means when it's possible. If x equal to 0, the value of the function equal to 1. So f of 0 equal to 1. Next you can find the, okay, directly can find it. Limit you can find. So limit x extends to 0, f of x equal to take this function here. Take this
Sir, how
function.
that f of 0 is equal to 1, sir?
Because if you take the limit here, what is the meaning of limit here now? It will be compulsory either left hand limit or right hand limit. So either if take it either left hand limit or right hand limit, this one,
Yes, sir.
because if x equal to 0,
Okay, sir.
the
Got
value
it,
of the
sir.
function f of x equal to how much? 1.
1.
That is the reason here f of
Okay,
x
sir.
equal
Okay,
to
sir.
1 now. Okay. But
Okay.
coming to this condition, but generally if you take the limit, what is the meaning of limit now? LHL and RHL we have to find directly. Actually we have to find here now left hand limit and right hand limit. But if you take in left hand limit also, that means less than 0 also will get this condition because x not equal to 0. If x not equal to 0 means this function is maybe x is negative also, we will take this function. Maybe x is positive also, we will take this function. That means one time only you can find the value, it's enough to us. Okay, that's why I'm taking directly it is. I'm taking limit x tends to 0, I'm taking into f of x equal to, what is f of x value? This function. Because when you take the limit, either left hand limit or right hand limit, the function is belongs to the compulsory x cube plus 3 only. So limit x tends to 0, x cube plus 3. X cube plus 3 now. So 0 I can substitute in there, 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So clearly, the f of
Sir,
0
they
not,
gave x not equal to 0, no, sir.
that's what I'm saying that one. What is the meaning of x not equal to 0? Except x not equal
Ending.
to, except x equal to 0. Rest of all the conditions, what is the function we have to take? F of x must be equal to the x cube plus 3. Understood now? That means x is either positive values or negative values, but you can take the function this only. So that is the main reason. Clear now? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Ah. So now clearly you can write now. So therefore, what you can write? These two are not equal. So f of 0 not equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x. The two are not equal. So what you're saying that one? So therefore, f of x is not continuous.
Suppose f of 0 is not equal to LHL, but LHL is equal to RHL, then also f of x is
Yes,
not continuous.
definitely. Here, why I'm taking only one time when I'm taking function, why I'm not taking LHL and RHL separately means only one reason is there. Suppose if take here 0 minus also, then what is the function will get? Tell me. What is the function will take from the given f of x? Taken suppose x tends to 0 minus I'm taking. You take in 0 minus also, this is the function only. Correct? The same way suppose if taken RHL, right hand limit, if taken 0 plus here, 0 plus also clearly we will take the same function only. That is the reason I am taking only one time I am taking the value. Okay, so f of x is not continuous, yet x equal to 0. But at last, this is a conclusion is the more important. But without conclusion, but don't write anything. Okay, copy that. Okay. This is you can try later. It is very easy only. Small question it is. Discuss the continuity of the function defined by f of x equal to 1 by x. F of x equal to 1 by x comma x not equal to 0. Here, what is the meaning x not equal to 0? Except x equal to 0, remaining all the real numbers you can take. So here, but don't take yourself, it is the maybe x equal to 1, x equal to, x equal to 3 like that. Don't take like that. X equal some c you can take. Or else x equal some p you can take. And x equal some q you can take. That is your choice only. Understood? And you can prove that same procedure again. First you can find f of c, you can find. So f of c equal to 1 by c. Then find the limit also you can find now. So limit extend to c, f of x equal to limit extend to c, 1 by x equal to clearly 1 by c now. So f of 0 equal to limit value, both are equal. So therefore, what you can say now? This is the given f of x is the continuous set, all the real numbers except x not equal to 0, except x not equal to 0. Now this is the more important problem to you, especially PU students. From this continuity, if they're asking examination, what are the possibility we have means this kind of problems we have possibility. And if you want, just you can see the previous question papers also. Always we're getting the same thing. Find the value of k. Find the value of k, comma, so that the function f of x equal to k cos x whole by pi minus 2x comma, if x not equal to pi by 2, if x not equal to pi by 2. Next 3 comma, if x equal to pi by 2, is continuous set x equal to yet x equal to pi by 2, This is the problem now. So more important question to you, for PU students, that last section 10 marks question combination definitely will get 100%. To this problem combination, maybe we'll get now determinants, no, not determinants, LPP, or else we'll get definite integrals. Any problem it is. Okay. Find the value of k so that the function f of x equal to k cos x by pi minus 2x comma, if x is not equal to pi by 2, if taken f of x equal to 3 means if x equal to pi by 2. But they said very clearly in problem itself, it is a continuous set x equal to pi by 2. That means x equal to, when we are taking pi by 2, it will be continuous. That means the limit of the given function equal to f of pi by 2. The two values must be equal. But here see now, when we are taking the limit value, suppose if you take in limit extend to pi by 2, we are taking means the function must be compulsory belongs to the, what is that? This is the function now. Either if you take in the left hand limit or right hand limit also, the same function we are getting. Suppose you can substitute x equal to pi by 2 here. X equal to pi by 2 you can substitute in there now. So k into cos 90. Cos 90 equal to how much? 0 na? K into 0 equal to 0. Next one here also same thing only. Here 2 into x equal to pi by 2 substitute in there now. 2 into pi by 2. 2 will be cancelled. So what about remaining? Pi is there. So pi minus pi also equal to 0. But 0 by 0 equal to not defined. Then what we'll do? But we have to find some value there now. We have to find some. That is the reason this problem is the more important. Suppose we got directly answer, it will be very easy only. But whenever substituting x equal to pi by 2 here, in the time the f of x is not defined. So here we have to do the small changes we have to do. Understood now? Means we have to differentiate the function, or else by using the trigonometric functions. We have to change. And in the limits concept, yesterday I gave the first class, I gave the formulas to you. The limit x extend to 0 sin x by x equal to always 1. So that kind of formulas also the more useful to us. So first we learn clearly that one. Okay. Yes. Right now. So given function f of x equal to k cos x by pi minus 2x comma if x not equal to pi by 2, x not equal to pi by 2, and 3 if x equal to pi by 2. This is the problem is given. But it said very clearly it is the continuous set and f of x is continuous yet x equal to pi by 2. This is the problem itself they given. X equal to the continuous set x equal to pi by 2 now. Now first you can find the value. So directly. So therefore f of pi by 2 equal to f of pi by 2 because according to definition of continuity already we know very well that one. Then f of pi by 2 must be equal to the limit of the given function. The limit of the given function. That is the reason just I am taking directly now. So f of pi by 2. F of pi by 2 equal to. So if you take in suppose if x equal to pi by 2, x equal to pi by 2, then what is the value of f of x? Tell me.
3.
3. So it is equal to clearly can write now 3. So the first one it is. Next you can find the limit you can find. So limit x tends to pi by 2 f of x equal to. Here what is the function we will take? Tell me. So limit x tend to pi by 2 now. So what is the function? But in this limit condition, but x not equal to pi by 2, everybody should remember that one. Starting when I said very clearly that they given a x tends to a means it is a x not equal to a. But the values of x is nearer to the a and nearer value to the a. Already you know very well that one. That means what is the function we will take here now in this condition? Then x
K
not
cos
equal to pi by 2
x
means
by
compulsory k cos x by pi minus 2x. So it is we can write now k cos x by the pi minus 2x. Pi minus 2x. But clearly when we are taking here now the value of in place of x, we are substituting pi by 2 here, pi by 2. The function is not defined. The function is not defined. So first you can change immediately. Here what is the k here now? K is one constant value. Clearly k is the constant value here now. So just you can once look at the board clearly. That k if right asked is only limit x extend to pi by 2 k into cos x, k into cos x whole by. Now from this one I am taking 2 common now. I am taking 2 common. So what do you get? Tell me now. If taken 2 common now, I think this is the pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 minus x. I am clear. Students, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now here k by 2 is the constant value. K by 2 is the constant
Yes,
value.
sir.
Now? Yes. So k by 2 you can take outside. K by 2 you can write outside now. So if taken k by 2 outside, then what about remaining? Limit extend to pi by 2. Limit extends to pi by 2 now. Now cos x is there now. So this is you can write as it is only cos x by pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 minus x. And the next one, k by 2 limit into limit extend to pi by 2. Now suppose I am taking the cos x here now. I write it like this. Sine of the 90 minus theta. Is it true or false now? Please tell me. This cos x can be written as a sine of 90 minus theta.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Sine 90 minus theta equal to how much? Cos x now. Now we got the condition. Limit x extend to 0, it is the sin x by x equal to. Sin x by x equal to how much? The value of this one equal to how much? 1 na? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the same thing you can write now. So therefore, if you want to get a formula also you can write now. But limit extend to 0, sin theta by theta equal to always 1. That means in place of this, you can write 1 here. So what about remaining value? So it is equal to k by 2 into 1. It is equal to k by 2. That means when you are taking the limit of the given function on the time, the value of the f of x equal to how much we got now? K by 2 we got. But they said very clearly in the problem itself, it is a continuous at x equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2. That means what you can say now? The two values must be equal. The same you can write. But f of x is continuous yet x equal to pi by 2. So therefore, the same you can write now. F of pi by 2 equal to, it is the limit extend to pi by 2 f of x. The two values are equal. According to definition, we know very well that one. But this value, how much we got now? 3 we got. This value equal to how much we got? K by 2 we got now. 2 right this side now. So therefore, the value of k equal to 2 3s are 6. The value of k equal to how much? 2 3s are 6 now. Clear now? Now this is the more important problem to you. The 100% chances are there now for both PO and plus 2 also for everybody. Because it is a simple questions they given means for finding it's very easy. But we're showing that one continuity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First we'll discuss about only continuity, man. Later we'll discuss about the discontinuity. Okay. Because it is a between them one problem continuity, one problem discontinuity we are taking means we'll get confusion. First we'll complete all the continuity problems. Later we'll go into the discontinuity. Then we'll get more clarity. First copy this one. I'll give next problem. Next one right now. Find the value of k so that find the value of k. I will write now. No problem that. Because all the questions are more important to you. Find the value of find the value of k. Find the value of k so that the function f of x equal to the function f of x equal to kx plus 1 comma if x less than or equal to pi. Next, taken cos x give x greater than pi now. X greater than pi. Full stop. Is a continuous function. Continuous function at x equal to pi. Continuous function at x equal to pi. The problem it is. Okay. Find the value of k so that the function f of x equal to kx plus 1 if x less than or equal to pi. Next, cos x if x greater than pi now. X greater than pi is a continuous function at x equal to pi. Is a continuous function at x equal to pi now. Now in this condition, based on the given cases now, based on the given conditions, easily can find left hand limit and we have to find the right hand limit and we have to find the f of pi also we will find now. Suppose if you take any f of pi, x equal to pi we are taking. So if taken f of pi, what the function will take? Tell me now. Please tell me.
Kx plus 1.
Kx plus 1, because x equal to pi and x less than pi now. That means when you are taking x equal to pi or less than pi also, means left hand limit also, you will take the same function kx plus 1. But when you are taking the RHL value, that means right hand limit, on the time clearly we have to take here now f of x equal to cos x. Okay, that one I understand means the problem will be it's very easy only. So you can write now. Given function, what are the given function? Given f of x equal to so write clearly that kx plus 1 comma if x less than or equal to pi, and cos x comma if x greater than pi now, x greater than pi. But the given condition, and f of x is continuous at f of x is continuous yet x equal to pi also, x equal to pi. Okay, that is the given information now. So according to definition, first we have to find the f of a, we have to find. That means, so therefore, f of pi equal to, so when you are taking here x equal to pi means what is the condition we have? Kx plus 1 is there. So it is, you can write now, f of pi equal to kx plus 1, it is equal to k pi plus 1. Correct? It's correct already, na? K pi plus 1. Next, find the LHL value. Left hand limit. So limit extend to pi minus secant pi minus f of x equal to. So when you are taking here now, x is less than pi. Yes, x is less than pi. What are the condition will take? Kx plus 1 clearly. So the same function you can take here now. Limit extends to pi minus, extends to pi minus. This is the kx plus 1 now. So x equal to pi can substitute in there. So it is the k pi plus 1. K pi plus 1. This is the one of the condition. Next, you know, find RHL value. Find here now RHL, right hand limit. Right hand limit. So limit x tends to pi plus f of x equal to pi plus f of x. Mean the value of x is the more than pi. What the condition will take? Cos x,
Cos
cos x. So limit x tend to pi plus means pi into cos x. So it is equal to what you get element of cos pi, equal to cos pi. But cos pi equal to what is the value?
minus 1.
Minus 1, because cos 180 equal to how much? Minus 1. But the problem itself, they said very clearly, it is a given function f of x is a continuous at x equal to pi, they said. X equal to pi means what I can say now? All these three values must be equal. The same thing you can take. So therefore, but you can write now, but f of x is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. Sorry, x equal to pi. So therefore, you can write now f of pi equal to LHL equal to RHL. According to definition, comes all three conditions must be equal now. But coming to the f of pi and LHL, both the values are same only. But only RHL only different now. So we can equate directly these two, you can equate that. You can equate directly the two values. I will write here I will write now down. I will write here now. So therefore, it is the k pi plus 1 equal to minus 1 now. So k pi equal to how much? The minus 1 equal to minus 2. So that implies, so that is equal to the value of k equal to how much? Minus 2 by pi. Minus 2 by pi. That is the value of k. Okay. The value of k equal to minus 2 by k. Sorry, 2 by pi. My problems are easy or difficult? Please respond. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
But it's more important to you. Here just they never ask in examination is show that it is a given function is a continuous. Okay. Based on the continuity, they'll ask the questions in examination. Only we have to find the unknown value. That's all. Either we have to find the value of k, or we have to find the value of a and b, and we have to find the values of some p, q, like that. So that kind of problem they'll ask in examination always. Finish. Next problem right now. Find the value of this is also important. Find the values of a and b, a and b, a and b, such that function f of x equal to function f of x equal to if of 5 comma if x less than or equal to 2. Next ax plus b comma if x greater than 2 and less than 10, or else you can write 2 less than x less than 10 and 21 if x is more than or equal to 10. Now the three conditions. Okay. And is a continuous function. That's all. Okay. The condition you can write now is a continuous function. Is a continuous function. This is the problem now. Tell me your idea how to find that.
So we can take x as 2 at the first case.
Yes,
and
very
then
good.
find it.
Because see very clear, they give very clearly now x equal to 2 and x less than 2.
Yes,
Very good.
sir.
First case is the x equal to 2. And second
And
case
then x is equals to 10.
That's all. X equal to 10. Yes, you find it now. Start now. Given the f of x equal to the 5 comma if x less than or equal to 2 and ax plus b if 2 less than x less than 10 and 21 if x more than or equal to 10. Now problem is, but it is a continuous and f of x is continuous. F of x is a continuous because the problem itself they given very clearly it is a continuous function. Now means here now we have two cases are there now. One is the but the given function is a continuous set x equal to 2 one thing and the continuous set x equal to 10 is the second condition. So first you can take here now case 1 you can take case 1 at x equal to 2 at x equal to 2 now because in the problem itself you can see now it is the x equal to 2 is there and x equal to 10 is there now. So if taken x equal to 5 is the answer. But when you are taking the left hand limit, tell me now. Suppose if x is the less than 2 means again 5 only. Suppose if x is the more than 2 means ax plus b. Ax plus b now. In the same way, when you are taking that x equal to 10 means the f of x equal to 21. But when you are taking that one, the left hand limit of x equal to 10 means x is the less than 10 means ax plus b. But when you are taking that one, x is the more than 10 means again 21 now. But if from the first and second case, we'll get the two equations we are getting. When you're taking x equal to 2, we'll get one condition. I think ax plus b equal to 5 we are getting. Means 2a plus b equal to 5, first equation. But when we are taking that one x equal to 10, 10a plus b equal to 21 is the second equation. So by solving the first and second equation, we will get the values of a and b will get. The values of a and b. So you can write clearly that. So therefore, f of 2 equal to f of 2. So when you're taking x equal to 2 means the value equal to 5. The value equal to 5 now. Next you can find LHL value. So limit x tends to 2 minus f of x equal to, that means when you are taking the value of x is less than 2, this value also equal to clearly 5 only. And when you are taking that RHL value, limit x tends to 2 plus f of x equal to, what are the condition we get? X is more than 2 means ax plus b. So limit x tends to 2 plus, this is the ax plus b now. Ax plus b. That means x equal to, we can substitute in there now. So therefore what you get? It is equal to, it is the 2x plus b. 2x plus b now. But it is a, therefore, but we know it condition very well that one. No? But f of x is continuous. But f of x is a continuous function. Continuous function.
So it's 2a plus b, no, sir?
Sorry, 2a plus b. 2a plus b now. Continuous function. Now what are you saying that one? So therefore, f of 2 equal to LHL equal to RHL. LHL equal to RHL. So therefore, you can write now 2a plus b equal to how much? 5. It is equation number 1 you can take. It is equation number 1. Now coming to the second case. Case 2. Case 2 you can take. Here you can write on let x equal to 8. X equal to 10 you can take. At x equal to 10. Now find the values. And find the values now. Take here. So f of 2 equal to, sorry, f of 10 equal to, I think clearly we'll get 21. I am correct? Then find the LHL value. Find the LHL. So limit x tend to 10 minus f of x equal to. So when you are taking here now x is less than 10, what is the value? Less than 10 means ax plus b na. So limit x tend to 10, this is the ax plus b now. Ax plus b is equal to 10a plus b. 10a plus b now. Next, find the RHL value, right hand limit. So limit x tend to 10 plus f of x equal to 10 plus f of x. But the f of x is when you are taking that one, means the value of x is when more than 10 it is, the value equal 21. So clearly you can write now 21. The same condition you can write now, but f of x is continuous function. Continuous function. So therefore, f of 10 equal to LHL equal to RHL. All three values are equal now. But f of 10 equal to, we know very well that one is the value equal 21. Even f of 10 also 21 and RHL also 21 now. So therefore, ax 10a plus b equal to 10a plus b equal to 21. Equation number 2 now. Now I can solve equations 1 and 2. Solve,
Sir, A is 2, B is 1.
yes. Solve 1 and 2. Solve the two equations. I am taking here now 1 minus 2 I am taking. From the first equation I am subtracting here now second equation. So 2a plus b minus of this value. So minus 10a minus b equal to the 5 minus 21. 5 minus 21. Here minus b plus b will be cancelled. And this value equal to minus 8a equal to minus 16. Minus minus will be cancelled. So the value of a equal to 2. Correct? The value of a equal to 2 now. So the value of a you can substituting in either first equation or second equation, your choice only.
So value of A is 2, sir.
2 only, no?
No, sir. It's 8. No, sir. How it is 8A is equal to 1B, sir.
Where 1 b, right? What is the first equation? 2a plus b, correct? 2a plus b minus of 10a plus b. Means 2a plus b minus 10a minus b equal to 5 minus 21. Plus b minus will be cancelled. So 2a minus 10a equal to how much? Minus 8a equal to 5 minus 21 equal to minus 16. So minus minus will be cancelled. The value of a equal to 8, right? This 16 by 8 equal to how much? 2. It's correct. Yes, the value of a you can sub first equation now. So 2 into 2 plus b equal to 5. B equal to 5 now. So 4 plus b equal to 5. So the value of b equal to 1. A equal to 2 and b equal to 1. Am correct?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. This is already they're asking previous 2015 in plus 2 and both PO also for 4 marks question. Okay. Here so many questions are important questions. But it's all the questions almost 15 problems are there. That 15 problems compulsory you should learn perfectly. Right, next one. Find the relationship between A and B. Find the relationship between A and B, between A and B, A and B, so that the function, f defined by the function f defined by f of x equal to ax plus 1 comma if x less than or equal to 3. Next, bx plus 3 if x greater than 3, full stop, is a continuous is a continuous yet x equal to 3. Yet x equal to 3. Okay. Find the relation between a and b so that the function f defined by f of x equal to ax plus 1 if x less than or equal to 3, bx plus 3 if x greater than 3. X greater than 3 is a continuous at x equal to 3. The continuous at x equal to 3 now. Same procedure. Here only just x equal to 3 only one possibility we have. That's all. But no other numbers. X equal to 3 is there. X less than 3 is there. X more than 3. That means we're finding the directly f of 3 we will find and left hand limit, right hand limit. But any case already we know very well that one. The all three conditions case will be equal. That means f of 3 must be equal to the LHL equal to RHL. Then directly we get the relation we are getting. We will get relation right now. Given function f of x equal to ax plus 1 comma if x less than or equal to 3 and bx plus 3 comma if x greater than 3 now and f of x is continuous yet x equal to 3, continuous at x equal to 3 now. That is given. So now we can find the value. So therefore f of 3 can find now because x equal to 3 we have to take. If we take an x equal to 3 means what is the function we have? Ax plus 1 now. So you can write ax plus 1 it is equal to 3a plus 1. 3a plus 1 one condition. Next limit x extend to 3 minus you can take. This is the value of LHL. Value of LHL now. Limit extend to 3 minus f of x equal to, but when you are taking the value of x is less than 3, the function equal to same ax plus 1 only. So you can write clearly that limit extends to 3 it the ax plus 1 now. So the x equal to a 3 can substitute in there now. This is the clearly 3a plus 1. 3a plus 1 now. Now you can find RHL value. RHL. So limit x tends to 3 plus extend to 3 plus f of x equal to. But when you are taking the value of x more than 3, what is the function here now? Bx plus 3 is the function. You can substitute in there. So limit x tends to 3 plus is the bx plus 3 now. So x equal to 3 you can substitute in there. It is equal to 3b plus 3 now. So therefore you can write now, we know very well that one, but the given condition, but f of x is the continuous function, is a continuous at x equal to 3, at x equal to 3. So therefore, right now f of 3 equal to limit x tend to 3 f of x now. So this value equal to clearly we got now 3a plus 1 we got. So 3a plus 1 equal to 3b plus 3 plus 3 now. So 3b right this side. So 3a minus 3b equal to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 now. If taken 3 common, 3 into a minus b equal to 2. So therefore, a minus b equal to 2 by 3. This is the required relation between a and b. Okay, because they're asking the same thing only. Find the relation between a and b. Find the relation between a and b required now. Right. Okay. Next. That's what I write now. Find the value of k. Find the value of k, comma, if f of x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x, comma, if x not equal to 0, x not equal to 0. Next, k if x equal to 0, x equal to 0 is continuous at x equal to 0, is continuous at x equal to 0. Is continuous at x equal to 0. Tell me anyone. But see, but either x not equal to 0 in this condition, but no need to find LH and RHL separately. Just you can find only the limit you can find, it's enough. Like previous I gave the first problem to you, like this only. Find the limit value and find the f of 0 you can find. The two you can equate. The value of k will get. The value of k now. Given f of x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 1 minus cos x, comma, if x not equal to 0, x not equal to 0, and k if x equal to 0, k if x equal to 0 is the problem it is. Now you can find it. But what are the condition now? And f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. So therefore, f of 0 you can find now. If taken x equal to 0, what is the condition we have? F of 0 means f of 0 equal to k. One condition. And find the limit also. Limit x tends to 0, f of x equal to. But if taken the limit value, either right hand limit, left hand limit, the function must be equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 1 minus cos x. So you can write now limit x tend to 0, the 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 2x by 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x. Suppose you can x equal to 0, you can substitute in there now. Once you can verify that x equal to 0, 2 into 0 equal to 0. That means cos 0 equal to how much?
1.
1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Here also cos 0 equal to how much? 0. 1 minus 1 now. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. But 0 by 0 equal to how much? Not defined. Then what we'll do now?
Change it, sir.
Yes, we have to simplify the function. But how to simplify this? How to simplify? Remember the formula, I think you know very well.
Cos square x
Yes,
by
yes, yes. Cos 2 theta equal to what is the formula we have?
cos square theta minus
2
sin
cos
square
square
theta.
theta
Oh yeah.
minus 1. Or else in terms of sign only you can take. But if taken minus means we'll get positive we are getting. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta. That implies this one right this side now and 2 sin square right this side. Okay. So 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta. One condition. But coming to the second now, denominator value is the cos x it is. If taken cos 2 theta equal to, we got this value. Then how to get the cos x value? X equal you can take here now, theta by 2 you can take. Then 2 will be cancelled. I'm correct. Now in the same way, cos x equal to cos x means 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. I'm correct? It's correct now? Now please respond. Are you getting or not?
So
Now these two values you can substitute in there now. The two values substitute in there. So limit x tend to 0 in 1 minus cos 2x equal, you can write now 2 sine square theta whole by, and 1 minus cos x equal, you can write now 2 sine square theta by 2, you can write 2 sine square theta by 2. Now 2 will be cancelled. 2 to cancel now. So it is equal to how much? Limit x tend to 0 to the, we got now sine square theta by sine square theta by 2. Sine square theta by 2. Now,
Theta by 2.
but is the theta one it is. It's not theta by 2. But here in terms of x is given, take x only, because the problem itself x is given now. So here you can take sine square x. This is, they can write now x by 2. This also you can write now x, and here also you can write now x by 2. It's correct? Now tell me. Up to last we got now. Just one more step we're behind. One more step we are behind. That's all. Already you learned very clear. The first year we learned that. But compulsory, the two numbers have to count into formula. Okay, one formula we have.
Into x by x, sir.
X into 0. What you can do now? It is multiply
Into
divided by x square.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes,
Here
sir.
multiply divided by x by 2
X by 2 whole square.
X by 2 whole square. The same you can write now. I think no need to
Answer
write
is 4, sir.
4. Yes. I think is the 4 only answer. Maybe. Here it's not there. Yes. K equal to 4. Very good. Limit x tend to 0. This is the multiply divided by x square, means you can write now x square into, it is sine square x by x square. Sine square x by x square, one value, whole by, here also you can write now x by 2 whole square, x by 2 whole square into, this is you can write sine square x by 2 by, it is also you can write now x by 2 whole square, x by 2 whole square. So this one you can change that. Limit x tend to 0. This is clearly you can write now, it is the x square into, this value you can write now sin x by x whole square, you can write. That's correct now. Whole by. Now here also you can write now, this is the x by 2, that means x square by 4 into sin x by 2 whole by, I think down you are not saying that. Just one step on, you can understand that one. This is, I can write now x by 2 only, x by 2 whole square. Okay, x by 2 whole square. Now we can write. So simplify this value now. I think both sides here now x square will be cancelled. The 1 by 4 is there now. This is take reciprocal, 4 into we are getting. We are getting here now 4 into. But this limit is belongs to the, already we know very well that one. That limit x tend to 0. F of x by g of x. The limit belongs to the both numerator and denominator. Okay, so we know very well that the same thing you can write now. So that implies here if you take reciprocal 4 now, 4 you can take outside. 4 into limit x tend to 0. The one is the sin x by x whole square whole by. One more thing you can write now, sin x by 2 by x by 2 whole square. This also you can take, no problem that one. Or else if you want, you can write separately. The whole square, and here also you can write now whole square. Now this limit is belongs to the both of them. So write clearly that one, 4 into, so limit x tend to 0. One is the sin x by x whole square whole by, and the second also you can write now limit x extend to 0 sin x by 2 whole by x by 2 whole square you can write. Clear, this value also equal to 0 and this value also equal to 0 now. Okay, this is the 1, this value equal to 1, this value equal to 1. So 1 by 1 equal to 1 we are getting. So clearly it is equal to how much? 4. But it will be continuous. So what you can say now? So therefore you can write now f of 0 equal to limit value. F of 0 equal to limit x tends to 0, f of x, we know very well that one. That both you can equate that. So therefore the value of k equal to 4. The value of k equal to 4 now. Okay. Now if you want here only can write one more step also, can nothing happened. 4 into 1 square by 1 square. So 1 square by 1 square equal to 4 only we are getting. If you want you can write clearly. 4 into the 1 by 1 we get it is equal to 4. Is continuous at x equal to 2. Is continuous at x equal to 2. Is continuous at x equal to 2 now. Try yourself.
Three by 4, sir.
3 by 4. 3 by 4. It's correct.
So it's 3 by 4, sir.
3 by 4. 3 by 4. Try yourself. Everybody. I am not solving that.
Yes, sir, I got, sir.
Yes, yes. I'll give next problem to you. I'll give one more problem now. All of you got the answer? Lakshmi? Lakshmi, please respond. You got the answer? Lakshmi?
Yes.
Got the answer?
Yeah.
Okay. And remaining students, Tejashwini?
Done, sir.
Okay, ma. Yes, right, next problem right now. One more you can write. So these are all the questions already they given previous years, but everything is all important only. Find the value. Find the value of k. Find the value of k, comma, so that the function f of x equal to kx plus 1, comma, if x less than or equal to 5, next 3x minus 5, comma, if x greater than 5 is continuous yet x equal to 5. Continuous at x equal to 5. Okay? Yes. Try now. Try yourself. I'll ask the answer. Compulsory you have to give the answer to me. Same procedure here, no difference at all. X equal to 5 we are taking. X equal to 5 means we will take kx plus 1. And x less than 5 also with the same thing only. And x is more than 5 means we will do the second function. 3x minus 5 we are taking. Understood? You can equate both of them, the value of k we are getting. But write the procedure very clearly that.
Nine by 5, sir.
9 by 5. Very good. 9 by 5.
Sir, got sir 9 by 5.
9 by 5. Very good. The value of k equal to 9 by 5.
9 by 5.
Hmm. Remaining students, Anjali, Harsh, Kaushalya,
Yes, sir.
Kushi.
Done, sir.
Yes, very good.
Sir, I got sir 9 by 5.
Yes, very good. Right, next problem right now. Next one, right. For what value of lambda? For what value of lambda is the function defined by f of x equal to lambda into x square minus 2x comma, if x less than or equal to 0 and 4x plus 1 comma, if x greater than 0 is continuous at x equal to 0 is continuous at x equal to 0, comma, okay, full stop. What about continuity at x equal to 1? What about continuity at x equal to 1? Question mark. This is the problem now. Yes, yes. Try now. Try yourself. Find two cases here now. One is the x equal to 0 one time, and x equal to 1 is the second time. But when you take x equal to 0 on the time, compulsory it is a continuous. It is a continuous. Suppose if you take an x equal to 0 is a continuous now, then what is the lambda? The first case one it is. But when you are taking here now x equal to 1, then what is the lambda here now? Second case. Or else first you can verify that it is a continuous or not. That means in the previous case where the value of lambda we are getting
Sir, is x minus 1 by 4, sir?
x minus
X is 1 minus 1 by 4, sir.
how to find x value here now? We require the value of lambda required, na? Is correct? We required the value of lambda we required now. Already they given x equal to 0, continuous at x equal to 0. Just I am writing briefly here. I am not writing complete solution. No? Just you can write yourself the given function and everything. First you can take at x equal to 0. You can take case 1. At x equal to 0.
So lambda is all real number.
Lambda is all
Real number.
means actually no value. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, the lambda is no value. So there is no value of lambda. The function f is continuous at x equal to 0. But don't write any real numbers here now. The statement you can write now. There is no value of lambda. The function f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. That means the given function f of x is when it is the continuous at x equal to 0, and the time we don't have any lambda value. That's all. Find it. So f of 0 equal to, if then f of 0, what is the condition we have? Lambda into x square minus 2x. This is the function now, 2x. So lambda into x equal to 0 means we get clearly 0 only. So lambda into 0 equal to 0. And find the limit also you can find now. Directly you can find LHL and RHL separately. But if you take LHL also we get 0 only. LHL also will get 0. But RHL equal to
1, sir.
will get 1 now. But here in this case now, we are equating f of 0 equal to LHL equal to RHL. But 0 equal to 0 equal to 1 we are getting. Then where is lambda? Lambda, we are not getting anything. I mean 0 equal to 1 we are getting. So no lambda here. That's why at last you can write that. Clearly you can write a statement right now. So therefore, there is no value of lambda. Or else that is, there is no value of lambda, comma, the function f of x, is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay, there is no value of lambda, comma, the function f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Also, next case 2 we can write now. Also case 2. Case 2. Now in this case, first you can take here now at x equal to 1 you can take. At x equal to 1 and verify it. Then where you get x equal to 1, tell me? X equal to 1, where you get the function? 4x plus 1, na?
plus 1.
Because it is x is more than 0. That means 1 belongs to the same function now, 4x plus 1. In the same, if take in left hand limit, x less than 1. Where you get, tell me, x less than 1, na?
Lambda and
Lambda
This
y
one,
minus
x more than 1, this function. Yes, find it. First you can find f of 1, you can find now. I think x either 1 minus or 1 plus. I think this function is enough for us. I think no need to take this function. Correct or no? RHL also
sir.
will get the same function. LHL also will take here also because the nearest values. If you take an x is if you take an x equal to 1, we are taking means. But x is 1 is x is more than 0. That means clearly we have these values are 0.9, 0.8, all the values we are getting. That means both the LHL, RHL also you can take the same function you can take. Take the same function. Here you can write now f of 1 equal to 4x plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. The f of 1 equal to f of 1. Next LHL you can take. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x equal to. Here also you can take no problem. Same 4x plus 1 you can take. Limit x tend to 1 and again 4x plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 5. And the same you can find the value of RHL also you can find now. Find RHL also. Limit x tend to 1 plus f of x equal to. But in this case also you can take here now same function.
Shouldn't the LHL be lambda into
Because
x
it is
square
the
minus
no
2x?
value of the value of lambda does not exist here now. Okay, the value of lambda we don't know. Clear that. Because if you take in less than 1 or more than 1 also, this condition will be satisfied because it is x greater than 1, x greater than 0. So x equal to we taken, this is suppose 0 we are taking means in this condition all 1, 2, 3, 4, all positive numbers we are getting anyhow. Yes, clearly contain this condition it's enough. So here also you can write now 4x plus 1, it is also equal to 5 only. So clearly you can write f of 1 equal to LHL equal to RHL. So therefore, f of x is continuous at x equal to 1. F of x is continuous at x equal to 1 now.
Done, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Today what we done is clear now. All the problems, sir. But today
Yes, sir.
most of the questions, all the problems are important only. Tomorrow just we are going to discuss about a few more questions in continuity. Then once the continuity be completed means then we are going to the discontinuity. Okay? Okay, tomorrow we'll continue.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Good night.
Second, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night.